Alright, I found out the problem, I think. There's nothing wrong with the coil. There's nothing wrong with the points. I sanded them anyway. I was lacking this wire. I found it in a box over there. Actually, this white wire comes from the computer and it goes onto the negative side of the coil. It must be to check RPMs or something with the points opening and closing. So what I have to do is I have to hook this wire into the ignition hot circuit, which might be difficult because it's kind of short. So I got me an extension wire. It's getting late and I want some food. So this one goes to the coil plus and has to come over here to this terminal right there, which is ignition. So we'll twist that on there. Now we should crank her over and we should have some spark. Get my thing down here. It doesn't want to set here, so I can check the spark. Oh yeah. Now we got spark. I'm going to plug this in. I'm going to do nothing else. We're just going to see what happens. Ignition, start. I'm not hearing a lot of anything. Probably the injectors are all plugged up from setting. I can smell a little bit of burnt fuel, I think. How can we squirt some gas in there to see if it's going to fire? Squirt some gas right in there. Got one cylinder firing. Let's try that again. Definitely wants to. It acts like the oh, well, you dummy. I did a stupid. Look here. This is the injector resistor. I don't know if you can see that. I didn't have that plugged in, dummy. I was checking voltage and I didn't plug that back in. So it will never fire the injector. Well, let's not do anything else. No fuel down in there. Hook this hose back up. This is a pain in the neck. It doesn't like to plug in and out of here. That was stupid. I bet it'll start right up now. That was really stupid. We have some stuff. And I broke one of my cardinal rules. I didn't check the oil first. And on a Volkswagen, that could be death. They don't have very much oil in them anyway. She's got plenty. She's up to the line. So let's fire it up again. Success! It actually runs quite good for setting for 2 or 3 years. And it wasn't even a 1 beer job. There's still a little bit of beer left. So, to all my faithful watchers, happy Memorial Day weekend. Tune in next time.